If you are wondering if you need a subscription to use your Blink Video doorbell, let me tell you what you can do without the subscription, and then I will tell you what you will lose if you won't get that subscription. So what you get is you can use core functions like motion alerts, live view, and two-way audio without paying. You can save clips locally to USB drive if you add a sync module with USB flash drive that allows you to avoid cloud subscription for video storage. Older accounts created before April 15, 2020 get a limited amount of free cloud storage by default. Unlimited or long-term cloud what you will lose if you go without a subscription is unlimited or long-term cloud storage of video clips is a subscription feature. Without a plan, clips may expire or you may have limited retention. Some advanced features like moments, extended live recording, or photo capture person detection filters may be restricted to subscription plans. And finally, rapid access to recent videos from the cloud might be slower. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.